Yeah, perfect. Team. So are you guys volunteers?
Yeah.
So I can see a lot of languages including Bengali, Hindi. Tell us how you are helping the crowd to get in.
So we are from the welcoming team. So just welcome and make them feel comfortable. That's it. Just showing the way where they need to go and all this.
Okay,
If they
okay.
need any help, then we can help them.
And are you guys going in after your job is done? Okay, guys. Thank you. Well done. Thank you. Cheers. So we have been met with couple of Indian fans here. First of all, बोलिए आपको टिकट मिल गए मैच के?
Till now we haven't got the ticket, but we are managing our best to get the ticket.
Get the tickets. What is your expectation from this Indian team and new look Indian team? No Rohit Sharma, no Virat Kohli.
But we have Shubman Gill and a great coach like Gautam Gambhir, right? So we'll do well.
From where are you based? Here in Leeds only?
I'm from Leeds. I just live in front of stadium.
Oh, you?
Just 2 minutes walk from here.
So you guys are here because I was watching you, cheering for the Indian team when they arrived.
We are Indian and we want Indian team to win.
Indian team too. Can we have a cheer for India, please?
Yay! Come on, India. We'll win this match.
Thank you guys and enjoy and all the best for your ticket hunt.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir, first of all, what do you think about this Indian team? It's a young Indian team under the leadership of a new captain. What is your take on this new look Indian team?
See, we have seen so many times, I've heard also so many times that being young is a bit of an advantage because India's record in England has not been good over the last 7-8 decades we have been playing here. So, and also recently we have not been doing well overseas. So we can say that this young team doesn't carry the baggage. That's what everybody has been also discussing.
Yeah.
That there is no baggage of them. So they make a fresh start. And with good weather and Headingley and nice conditions here, I think it's a very good start for India to begin in a positive manner.
And how do you see India's chances in this entire series? Obviously, we are starting in Headingley, then we'll go down south. What is your take on that?
Yeah, actually, I think England's plan has backfired. They wanted to put India under the pump right at Headingley in the first match, but luckily the weather has been very kind to the Indians, and we have seen nice sun, bright it is, and good temperature. So it's a very good omen for India, and I think India's performance in this first test is going to set the tone for the rest of the series.
Will Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma be missed?
That's very obvious. See, any team that loses such players is going to miss them badly. But then you say, we have seen over the years, even John Bradman has retired, Sachin Tendulkar has retired, Viv Richards has retired, and new generation has taken over. So that's always going to be a new beginning. So they'll be missed, but then it's an opportunity for the young team to, put their best foot forward.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Looks like a good batting day here at Leeds. What is your expectation from this series? It's a 5-match series, of course. New look Indian team.
Well, we're not too concerned about India. Do apologise about that. Looking forward to seeing England back and a 5-0 to England.
5-0 to England.
5-0 to England, sir.
Jasprit Bumrah. Come on, we have Jasprit Bumrah.
Yeah, I know. But today, though, this is a great batting day for England, surely.
Basball.
Baseball is the new era of Test cricket for England. We're loving it.
Do you think the baseball approach, which we have seen in English cricket, has brought the crowd back into the,
100%. Not just in England, but around the world.
Absolutely.
This excites the crowds.
Thank you. Thank you,
sir.